guys, welcome to MoBileMaThS with Gamshrai. Today we want to look at translation in geometrical constructions 5. Okay, so I've got a question here where I've got PQ is the image of a line PQ. So the dashes there are showing that it's an image, these ones. After a translation of, so this is the translation of vector here. If the coordinates of P dash, that's the image there, are, calculate the coordinates of P. So we want to find the original P there. So what we do here is that I can say, I'm going to write it in terms of, in a layman's language, where I've got my P point plus translational vector plus translation vector, I will get the image of P. That's basically the simplest way of calculating this. Okay, so I'll write my P, I don't know, so I'm going to take it in the form of x, y. Okay, plus my translational vector I was given, it's 7 minus 4. Okay, 7 minus 4. Then I was also given the image, the coordinates of the image. So this will be my x and this will be my y. So I'll write it in the form of a vector. So is equal to 6, 1. Okay, like that. So my goal here is to find the value of x and y. So what I'll do here, I can take this matrix here, this vector here, to the left side. Okay, like that, and it becomes a negative. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'll have my x, y, this side being equal to 6, 1 minus 7 minus 4. Okay, like that. You simplifying on the left side, on the right side, I'll get 6 minus 7, I'll get a minus 1. 1 minus minus 4, I'll get a plus there. This becomes a plus, so I'll have a 5. So this is what I get, but these are not coordinates, guys. This is a vector form. So coordinates, I can say coordinates of P, coordinates of P becomes, you write them in the form of x, y. So it becomes P is minus 1 and 5 there. Okay, so that's the method that we can do. Okay, otherwise we can even do the graph method, but I'll do that later on. Otherwise, bye bye guys for now.